Hi, welcome to Database. In this video, we will learn about how to create a funnel chart in Excel. Creating a funnel chart in Excel is very easy, but first we need to understand when to use funnel chart. So funnel chart is a way of visualizing data when there is a decrement, progressive decrement in the consecutive processes. So let us take an example that someone came for an admission. They have inquired about some information. Out of them, very few came and took the admission form, and then out of which very few of them came for a test. And out of all those students who have taken the test, will get into the admission process. So there is a decremental way of data that shows that there's a decrement. So we need to show it as a funnel. So in this example, we have taken an advertisement when we are posting it on some social media. So this is regarding this AMC of a product. So if you can see this example, that total people list for the social media was 62,000, out of which 43,000 got engaged with the advertisement. 15,600 people out of 43,000 people visited the website. Then when they downloaded the product, then check the price list, then invoice was sent, finalized, AMC pitched 930 people and 430 people finally take the AMC from us. So we will select our data like this, and we will go in the insert option. In the insert option, we will go to insert waterfall, funnel, stock, surface, or radar. After clicking this, we find this particular option, and this is how our funnel chart will look like. So it clearly says that how many people we have reached, approximate 62,000. So out of this, 43,000 got engaged, then website visited, and these things. So this is how we have created our funnel chart. This is an easy way to visualize the data. You must use this. There are also different formats that you can use from here. That is all from my side for this funnel chart. Thank you for watching Data Wheels. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and please share the video with your friends. That will help them. Thank you.